Shalom Aleichem. I'm Rachel Schechter, editor of the Followits. Welcome to Yiddish Word of the Day. Today we'll talk about how we call our parents-in-law. Der shver is the father-in-law. Der shver. Die shviger is the mother-in-law. Die shviger. In American society, we often call our parents-in-law by their first names, or mom and dad. But in traditional Jewish society, including most Hasidic homes today, the father-in-law is addressed as der shver, and the mother-in-law is die shviger, die shviger. Just like Tata and Mama, Baba and Zayda are not called by their first names, it's a sign of respect. Even more interesting is that they're often addressed in the third person. So if a Hasidic woman wants to ask her mother-in-law if she'd like a glass of tea, she would say, Die shviger will a gläsel Tee? Does my mother-in-law want a glass of tea? Or if she might say to her father-in-law, Der shver kommt zum Tisch? Is my father-in-law coming to the table for dinner? In both cases, using the third person shows respect, very much like a lawyer addressing the judge in court. He wouldn't say, would you like to see more evidence? He would say, would your honor like to see more evidence? Again, using the third person is a sign of respect. In Yiddish, we also have a special term that does not exist in English for how the parents-in-law call each other. Die מחותנים, die מחותנים. In other words, your daughter-in-law's parents or your son-in-law's parents are your מחותנים. Your daughter-in-law's father is der מחותן, and her mother is die Teneste, die Teneste. You may wonder, why do we need a special term for how parents-in-law address each other? Well, when you think about it, in traditional Jewish society, including today among Haredi families, marriage is not just between two individuals, but between two families. It's usually the parents that get together first to see how they get along, to see if they respect each other, if they like the other one's child, and only then do they bring the son and daughter together to meet, to see if they get along. The understanding is that marriage and parenting is hard enough as it is. The young couple needs a strong support net. So it's important that both sets of parents be actively involved, not only with their children, but also with each other, so that whenever a problem arises, everyone can help out. So let's review. I'll say the expression, you repeat after me. Der shver, der shver. Der shver kommt zum Tisch. Der shver kommt zum Tisch. Die shviger, die shviger. Die shviger will a gläsel Tee? Die shviger will a gläsel Tee? Die מחותנים, die מחותנים. Der מחותן, der מחותן. Die מחותנתטע, die מחותנתטע. I hope you enjoyed our Yiddish word of the day. Until we meet again, stay safe and healthy, or as we say in Yiddish, seid gesund.